The pentagon
Huh?
with the
What,
five
ma?
with the five states.
Pentagon rhyme. Okay.
The pentagon comes with five states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Well done. Okay, next word. Zeddy. 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 Zeddy is not there. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Dikshan. Dikshan.
Seminar.
Yes, ma. Definitely we'll do. Okay, without forgetting. Thanks for your reminder. Definitely we'll do it today. Okay. Next. I. Yeah. Good morning, Rohita. Why so late, Rohita?
Laptop
Very
problem.
late today.
Laptop problem, ma'am.
Laptop problem. Okay. Okay, children. Let's start our session. Who is going to say Kidzi anthem today?
Yesterday, delete my mail, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
why?
Uh, I'm forgot.
Okay, okay.
I
Okay, who is
didn't.
Naitika? Okay, join your hands and close your eyes, children, everyone. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Come on. Yes? Yes, come
Kids
on, start, Naitik.
anthem. You're with me. You're infinite. You're unique. My potential inside. You're the wind beneath my flight. Beautify me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside.
Yes, very good, and thank you so much. Yeah, good morning. Very good morning. Unmute and tell me good morning, children. Good morning. Yeah, very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Very good morning to you all. How did you do your concept assessment? Was it easy or very difficult? How was it? Easy இருந்துச்சா difficult இருந்துச்சா? How was it? Easy only, yeah. Very good, children. Was it easy? Very good. Okay, we'll start our attendance. Darshika. Darshika. Okay, Karthik. Sorry, your name. Dev Krish.
Attendance.
Dev Krish, your voice is breaking. Anyhow, I'm marking you, okay? Danven. Very good diction.
My name is Ditsan. I'm 4 years old. I'm
Very
studying KG.
okay. Farnaz.
Vadi.
Farnaz. Hashini.
My name is Asinya. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Why no good morning, Hashini?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay, it's okay. Karthikeyan.
Ma'am, Christmas ready by. Sorry, ma'am.
Karthikeyan.
Yeah, ma'am. Get for the children.
Very good. Janavi. Janavi is not here. Okay. Kavyani.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kayali. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Ma'am, my name is Nuchita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Nukshita. Pranita. Pranita. Pranita.
Morning, ma'am. I
Mm.
am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG. I am
Okay.
4 years old.
Okay, Pranita. Pranita. Yes, ma. Nukshita, what do you want to say? Nukshita. Oh.
No,
Don't
ma'am.
unmute. Don't unmute yourself, ma, unnecessarily. Pranita. Pranita, listen to me, Pranita. You have to record your rhymes and send it to me, Pranita, okay? Because you didn't sing today, no? So today you are going to learn 2 rhymes and you are going to take an audio of it and send it to me. Okay? Will you do that?
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Pranita. Yeah, good morning, Ma Vidyut. Will you do that, Pranita?
Rohita,
Okay, very good. Rohita?
My name is Loita Sola. I'm Kijigan.
my junior
I'm
KG.
studying in junior KG, forgot, ah?
Sorry,
Okay. Ritvik?
Mama, I am the tea. I am the morning, ma'am.
Mm.
I am the tea.
Mm.
I am
Junior KG. Rohita, mute yourself, ma, Rohita.
Sorry.
Okay. Nitila?
My name is Nidila. I'm studying junior KG. I am 40 I am a kid girl.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika? Satvika? Satvika Sri? Marking you, Satvika. Okay, Siddharth? Satvika? Satvika? Are you there, Satvika? Okay, Siddharth, thank you. Satvika, tell me your attendance, ma.
My name is Satika Singh. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm
Why are you crying, Satvika?
girl.
Kidzi girl will cry like this, ah? What is this? Okay, Tarnika. Tarnika. Tarnika, I'm marking you, Tarnika. Vishank. Vivan. Very good. Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Good morning, ma'am. Pare.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm.
I'm with you first, Pada.
Why so shy? Huh?
Pare.
One day I was absent, you forgot to say that. Ah. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vidyut. Okay, I heard him. Zeddy, I heard him.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Zeddy. Okay, Lakshana. Lakshana, also I'm marking you. Lakshana.
Good morning, ma'am. And
Hmm.
my name
Hmm.
is Lakshana. I'm saying
Very good.
I am 4 years old.
Very good, Lakshana. Thank you so much. Okay, children. Shall we play a game now? Yes, I want all of you to first stand up. First stand, all of you stand up. Okay, whatever I'm telling you, now you're going to do. You're not going to ask your parents to do anything. Okay, you yourself are going to do that work. Okay, first I want you to run and bring a material which is white in color. Come on, run and bring a material which is white in color. I want you to go and bring it, children. Don't ask your parents to go and bring. Siddharth, go and bring, come on. Yes, Rohita. Go run and bring, Rohita. Search in your home. White color toy material. Yes, very good, Vidyut. Good. Good. Yes, Dikshan. Good, Dikshan. Very good. Danvin, good. Hey, sitting in your place itself, you got everything, Danvin. Naughty boy. Very good. White color headset, white color box. Very good. Sweet box, snacks box, cotton, someone, garlic. Very good, Rohita. Garlic. Good. Then what else? What is that, Ma Satvika? Can you tell me what is that, Satvika? White color material, anything you can bring. White color. What is that, Satvika? Toy. Yeah, very good. Okay, come on. Next is next color. Come on. Now, the next color is blue. Blue. Come on, run and bring your blue color material. Come on. I'm watching everyone. Very good, Rohita. Guitar. Good. Very good, Rohita.
She touched, ma'am.
Yes.
She.
Yeah. She's showing, I can see. Blue color. Yeah, balloon. Very good. Balloon. Then? Mm. Yes, ma, Dhanven. Blue color scale or comb is that? Tarnika chair. And then Pranita I saw. Dhanven. Satvika. Very good. Pranita good. Rohita good. Ashni. Very good, Ashni. Vivan good. Siddharth box good. Vidyut also. Vidyut kappa. A very nice and cute cup Vidyut. And then star, water bottle. Wow, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, Nightek. Gloves, white color. Now I ask for blue color, ma Nightek. Nightek, blue color. Very good. Very good, ma Kavyani. Kappa. Nightek, smart boy. Very good, Nightek. Well done, good boy, Nightek. Yeah, I saw Nightek. Good boy. And then bubble gun. Very good. Rohita, good. I saw Rohita. I saw your guitar. Yes. What? I asked blue color. Okay, now, yes, keep it down, keep it down. And the next color is red. Red. Come on, run and bring your red color material. Red, red. Red, red. Red. Color, what color do you choose? Red. Yes, very nice, Nukshita. Kavyani. Nightek. And then Dhanven, very nice. Nightek, you are very clever. Sitting in your place, standing in your place itself, you are showing everything. Yeah, very good. Yeah, Pranita. Vivan, truck, Pranita, I saw yours. It's a box. Yes, very good. Yeah, Rohita, very good. Rohita.
Very good. Another happy.
Very good, Rohita. Good girl. Good girl. Crayon, very good. And then mobile cover. Someone who's that? Nitila, good. Vidyut. Telephone. Very good, Ritvik. And then what is that, ma, Vidyut? Vidyut, what is that?
Envelope.
Oppa, such a big envelope. Very nice. Okay, very good, children. Wonderful. Wonderful. Siddharth, good. Siddharth, good, I saw. Hey, Darshika, you joined, Darshika. I marked your absent, Darshika. 1 minute. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, children. 1 minute. Okay. Come on, everyone. Very good, Darshika. I saw you brought a bat something. Okay, very good. Now, next color. Shall we move on to the next color? Yeah, now then. Yeah, very good, Lakshana. Now, the next color is green.
Green color, anta.
Green. Come on, bring your green color object.
Pink. Okay, నేను చెప్తాను. No green చూపించు.
Come on. Hey, next I'm going to go to pink only. First finish green. First finish green. Yeah, good. Green color watch, green color toy, green color dress. Very good, Ashni. And then green color. The same picture you are showing. Very good. Sketch pen, crayons, Dhanven sketch. Very good. Building block, Rohita. Very good. Yes, very good, children. Yes, everyone is calling me ma'am, ma'am. How will I know? Yes, very good. Nitila, good. Then Vidyut, very good. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Yes, Darshika, good. Very good, children. I saw everyone's very good. Well done. Okay, next color. What color we are going to choose? It's going to be your favorite color, pink. Come on, bring your pink color. Now we are laughing, Rohita? Okay, very good. Pink toy. Good. Then pink color cycle. Pink. Yeah, Hashni. Pink color cycle. Pink color cup, Darshika. Then pink color pencil, Kavyani. Pink color car. Yes, Tarnika car. Very good. Sketch pen, everything. Yes, all of you mute yourself, children. I want to talk to Dhanvin. Yes, mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Come on. Where is Dhanvin, my boy? Where are you? Where are you? Yes, very smart. Dhanvin and Dhanvin's mom. Without going anywhere, you are giving him a sketch pen and showing all the colors. Not at all
No, ma'am.
fair.
No, ma'am. He was happy and he was doing that.
Not fair, not fair, not accepted. Come on, run and bring your toy. Anything else? I don't want to see any crayons or
Ma'am,
sketch pens. Yeah, very good, Malakshana. Very good. Pink color dress, towel, snacks box. Yeah, very good. Bag. Hey, whose bag is that? Very cute. Dikshana. Very cute bag. Motu Patlu bag. Very nice. Very good. Pink color bed sheet. Ball. Then Nitila. Is that pink or purple, Nitila? Pink only. It seems like purple to me. Okay, good. Hashni, good. Very good, Rohita. Good. Well done, everyone. Very good, children. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, our next color is brown. Come on, go bring your brown color object. Brown. Brown, brown. I asked brown. Not green. Brown. Is that brown, Hashni?
Yes, ma'am.
Brown, ah? Really?
Ma'am,
Brown. Yeah, Dhanvin, Tarnika,
ఇలా చూపించు
Rohita toy. Good. Very nice toy. And then Satvika. Satvika also teddy bear brown color. Very good. Vidyut brown color diary. Very good. Rohita brown color toy. Very good, Rohita. Dhanvin. Good. Okay, next who else? Nitek, Dev Krish, brown color, elephant. Elephant brown color, wood. Is it wood elephant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Very good. Dikshan, good. Yes? Okay, wait, children. Wait, 1 minute, wait. Okay, Darshika. Darshika, which is brown color in that? Show me. Which is brown? Good. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, well done, Ritvik. Very nice box. Lakshana, mute yourself. Yeah, very good. Handbag. Many of you got your handbags, huh? Very good, children. It seems that many of your mama is having brown color handbag. Okay, very good. Well done, children. Well done. Yes, Karthikeyan? Show me, Karthikeyan. What is it? What is it, ma? Pot. Is it a pot? Yes, ma. Lakshana, first mute yourself, Lakshana. I'm seeing you. Mute yourself. Okay. Yes, ma. What is that? Pot. Very good. Yes, pot is perfect brown color. Vishang, joined Vishang. Good morning, Vishang. Brown color wallet. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay, now going to the next color. What color I'm going to choose is black. Black. Let me see how smart you children are. Black. Black color. Badminton bat. Very good. Black color. Ritvik, what are you saying? Black color? Black color slate. Hey, Ritvik, very good, Ritvik. Well done, children. Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Mobile screen, slate, foam, highlighter, then dress. Very good. Remote. Well done, well done. Remote, then Kavyani, Nukshita, very good, Rohita. Then Vidyut, good. Hashini, Siddharth, Karthikeyan. Ritvik, I want to talk to Ritvik. Ritvik. Yes, show me your black color object. Come on. Show me. Ritvik. Very smart. See, he's showing his hair. Hair is black in color. Very good, Ritvik. I love that. Very good. Next, Vishang. What did you bring, Vishang? Black color.
Okay, ma'am.
What did you bring? What is it? Batman, ah? Hulka. Black man, ah? Black man or Batman? Batman.
Batman.
What is the spelling of bat?
He said,
Black color.
Black
Batman.
color Batman. Very good. What is the spelling for bat? Bat. You're saying it's a Batman. Then what is the spelling for it? B?
Bat.
B? What is in your hand? Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Lift it up. What happened to your hand, Vishang? What happened to him? Hmm? In the match, Vishang?
to straighten his finger, ma'am.
Straighten his finger treatment. Okay, okay. I thought he fell down or something. Okay.
No.
Good. Good, Vishank. Okay, next, children, next color. Shall we move on to the next color? Next color is, what color shall we give? It's your choice. Anyone? Whom shall I ask? What is your favorite color? Wait, I'll call. No, I will call and I'll ask you what is your favorite color, okay? I'm going to ask Vidyut. Vidyut, what is your favorite color?
Pare. Listen to the pare.
What is your favorite color? Black. Black I finished. Okay, next. Rohita, what is your favorite color? Rohita, what is your favorite color, Rohita?
I want.
చెప్తున్నావు కదా మ్యామ్ ఇందాక నుంచి
Pink finish, no? Next.
Okay, wait.
Okay, I'll ask next person. Ritvik, what is your favorite color?
మ్యామ్ రోహిత ఆరెంజ్ చెప్
Yes?
రోహిత
Orange. Okay, now come on, all of you go and bring your orange color object. Come on. Orange. Yeah, Rohita, very good. Orange. Yeah, orange toy, orange truck, orange car, orange t-shirt. Very good. Yes, Vishank, anything which is orange in color? Orange box, orange highlighter. Very good. Orange, fruit orange. Very good. Then, who else? That's it, huh? Satvika, Naitek,
మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ లో ఉండు
Kavyani. Kavyani, what you are sitting, no? There itself you have orange color. Orange car, very good, Satvika. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, children. Okay. Next, Danvin. Danvin, what is your favorite? Yes, yes, Naitek. Come on, ma, Naitek. Naitek, unmute and say, ma.
Ma'am, orange color.
Orange color. I told you not to bring colors. Nobody should bring crayons. Everyone should run and bring any object. Okay, next is, okay, Naitek, tell me what is your favorite color?
Ma'am, green.
Green we finished. Okay, then if that is your favorite color, I'll move on to the next person. Danvin, what is your favorite color?
Favorite color.
Pink. Pink. Oh my god. You like pink? Okay, next color I'm going to say it's going to be yellow. Come on, run and bring your yellow color object. Come on, everyone. Yellow. Yellow, dirty fellow. Yellow duck. Yeah, very good. Yellow duck, yellow train, yellow truck, yellow. Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah, smiley bird. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, Darshika, I saw. Darshika, good. Rohita, good. Vidyut, good. Nitila, very good. So sweet. And then Satvika, very good. Who else? Danvin, good. Then, yeah, I saw you, Rohita. Dev Krish, very nice toy, Dev Krish. Show me that, Dev Krish. Show me. What is it? Yellow and orange together. Crab. Very nice, Dev Krish. Okay, very good. Good children. Yes, Naitek. Yeah, Nitik. Good. Yeah, very good. Children, unnecessarily don't unmute yourself, children. Yeah, very good, Nitik. Very good. Well done, Nitila, Lakshana, and all. Okay, very good. Okay, and the final color, I'm going to stop this session. Okay. What color shall we say? Yellow, orange, red, pink, green over. And next color is gray. Come on. Bring any gray color object. Gray. You know what is gray, right? It will be lighter than black. Okay? Gray. Come on. Very good. Ritvik is running, searching for gray color. Yes, ma, Vishank? Elephant is gray. Very good. I want gray. Gray. Yeah, gray color cloth. Very good. Gray color t-shirt. Gray color water bottle. Very good. Gray color elephant. Very good. Gray color rabbit. Very good. Good. Yes, ma, Darshika. Gray color toy. Very good, Darshika. Then Hashni, what are you showing, Hashni?
Notebook.
Gray color paper.
Notebook.
Gray
Notebook.
color notebook. Very good, Ashni. Good. Very good, children. You are all very clear about your shapes. Very good. And then crescent shape. Do you all remember the crescent shape? Do you all remember that? We had an activity also. I told you to bring a biscuit and show me the crescent shape. Yes? Moon shape. Yeah, very good. Moon shape. Come on, all of you. Show me the crescent shape. Crescent shape. Crescent. Crescent shape. Let me see who is going to show me first. Crescent. Here in the board also you have here. Yeah, this one. Crescent shape. Crescent. Who called me, ma'am? Diction. Very good, Diction. Very good, Diction. Yeah, you can take a biscuit and bite it and show me the crescent shape or any crescent shape related materials you can show me. One by one. First is Dev Krish. Yeah, I'm going to call you and ask you. Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Yeah, biscuit. Very good, Dev Krish. Dhanvan. Biscuit. Very good. Darshika. Darshika.
Moon ka the crystals.
Darshika. I'll call you, Rohita. Wait, ma. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me where is your crescent shape. Hey, wow. Very nice. Crescent. Okay. Next is Hashni. Show me what is crescent shape. What is that? Cashew nut. Ah, okay. Very good. Hashni. Very good. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Biscuit. Bite nicely, no? Then only it will come like this curve, like this. When you bite deeper only, you will get this shape. But it looks like semicircle for me. Okay? Okay, next is Kavyani. Kavyani. Where is your crescent shape? Very good, Kavyani. Good. Okay, next is Pranita. 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 Okay. Rohita. Rohita. Rohita, show me your crescent shape, Rohita. Pranita, also show me your crescent shape.
No, ma'am.
Pranita and Rohita. Eating, ah? It is not crescent shape, no?
ఇది కూర్చో
Yeah, show me, ma, Pranita. I'm waiting for you.
కురుకు మొత్తం
Yes.
ఇది కొరకు
Yeah, very good, Pranita. Good. Rohita, good. Ritvik. Ritvik. Very good, Pranita. Ritvik. Yeah, mute yourself, children. Ritvik. Ritvik. Where are you, Ritvik? Yeah, very good, Ritvik. Well done. Ritvik. Satvika. Satvika and Siddharth. Satvika and Siddharth. Siddharth cashew nut, very good. Satvika. Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. Good. Come on, Ma, Satvika. Before eating, you should show me, no? Hey, very busy in eating, huh? Nightek. Okay, very good. Yes, Nightek. Mouthful and handful, what to do? Children, I asked you for activity means you all are eating your biscuits. Oh my God. Okay, next is Vishank and Vivan. Vishank and Vivan. Vivan, yes, very good. Vishank. Vishank. Zedi. Lakshana. Nitila. Nitila. Yeah, Lakshana, show me, ma. Okay. Yes, very good, Nitila. Very good children. Lakshana, Nitila, and then Zedi. Yeah, good children. Okay, very good. And children will finish off with the seminar which is pending for Dikshan. Okay. Dikshan, are you ready, Dikshan?
Ready, man.
Yeah,
Yes.
come on. Start. After you finish it, I'm going to tell a story. Come on, finish it.
Activity, man.
Yes, ma. Kartikeyan.
Activity, man.
Activity, I'll give you, ma. Don't worry.
Ma'am, are you able to visit my
Yeah. Your screen is visible.
Good morning, man. Good morning, friends. Today, I'm going to teach about pollution. What is pollution? Is irritation of waste into things surrounding. What are three types of pollution? Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution is due to smoke, waste, released by vehicles, insect toys, industries, and fire. It will cause heart problems, global warming, acid rain, depletion of ozone layer. Water pollution is due to sewage water, lamps, waters, oil, water affects aquatic animals, of various several species.
Lakshana, mute yourself, Lakshana.
Is due to throwing weights on the land. It affects soil and affects human health, wildlife. Noise pollution is making more noise. It makes irritation, nervousness, sleep disturbance, and blood pressure. We should go recycle, reduce, reduce and save energy. To reduce pollution, it is made to save our earth. Thank you. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, we can't hear your voice.
Very good diction. Okay, well done. It was very nice, very clear, very good. Thank you so much, Dikshan, and thank you so much, Dikshan's mom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, children. An important information I wanted to tell you. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will not have our regular sessions. Okay, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow we have PTM, and the link which have been sent to you have to follow that on the timing also. Okay, so please follow that. And next, regarding our Christmas celebration,
Ma'am, I
your
didn't
dress
hear you
code-
properly, ma'am. What we have tomorrow and day after?
day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will have no sessions
Okay,
due to
ma'am.
PTM.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so what time is given to you? So look on to that time and be punctual to that meeting. That's it. And then for Christmas celebration, your dress code will be red and green. Red along with green.
Okay,
Not
ma'am.
only red or not only green, red with green. Okay? Clear? What color, Karthikeyan? What is your dress code color?
Red.
Red with green. Okay? And then if you are willing to wear a cap, Santa cap, you can wear it. Okay? And on that day, we'll be dancing our group dance also. So practice for that too. Okay? Will you all do that? Yes? Okay, very good children. Okay. Yes, ma Dhanvin.
No, ma'am, he said yes, ma'am, to your question, ma'am.
You
This is
said yes,
answer.
ma'am. Okay, very good. Okay, now ma'am is going to tell you a story. Are you all ready for the story? Yes, ma'am, Naitek.
Ma'am, what about language session we have tomorrow?
No language sessions also.
Okay, ma'am.
Only today you have the session. From tomorrow onwards, no session. Only on 24th, you will have the celebration alone. No language session on that day also.
Ma'am, initial.
Sorry?
Ma'am, when I joined, you was telling about recording something, ma'am. I didn't get that.
No. Only for Pranita because she didn't sing today due to network issue. So I asked her to record an audio of 2 rhymes and send it to me. Others I have noted it down. I
Okay,
finished
ma'am.
already with some children, and those I have didn't finish, I finished it today.
Ma'am,
That's
how
it.
about Vishank, ma'am?
Thank you.
Vishank sang.
Yeah, Vishank already sang, no?
Yeah. Okay,
Vishank,
ma'am.
you sang on that day. I noted how he sang also.
Okay.
Only
Fine.
those who didn't sing on that day, those who are absent only, I conducted for them today.
Okay, fine.
Okay? Okay. Any more doubts? Shall we move on to the story?
Ma'am,
Ready, children?
dress code Thursday, na
Dress
ma'am?
code is red with green. If you want to wear a Santa cap also, you can wear.
Thursday, na ma'am? Thursday, na?
Thursday, the same time.
Day and tomorrow and day after tomorrow?
PTM. Due to PTM, there will be no session. Okay, and the link has been given to you in which link you have to join. So join through that link alone. Need not join through this link. This is class session link. And on 24th, you have to join through this link only. Today, in which link you have joined? No, this link you have to join. Okay, PTM link is separate. So don't confuse with that. Okay, any more doubts? Any more doubts, parents, children? Any doubts you have? No, okay. Shall we move on to the story? Okay. Yes. Children, do you know what is a pet animal? And do you know any pet animal? Come on, answer anyone. What are the pet animals you know? Dog. Okay. Then cat. Okay. Then
Parrot.
Parrot. Okay, looking at the picture you told a parrot. Okay, next. Fishes also. Yes, some of you have fishes in your home, right? So fishes also, okay? So today we are going to see a story regarding a pet only. And here you can see who is this? Do you know the name of this? Here you have yes? Yeah, Pepper. Pepper gets a new pet, and we are going to see how Pepper is taking care of that pet. Okay, so the name of the story is Pepper gets a new pet. Okay, Budgie, I am Pepper. Will you sing for me? And the name of the pet is Budgie. Name of the pet is Budgie, and Pepper's mom bought a new pet bird. It's a parrot, and she gave it to Pepper. And Pepper was very happy to see that parrot. Okay, and he named it as Budgie. Okay, and then yes, here what is happening? Yes, Pepper, he will but give Budgie some time. He is new here. Let me give him some water. And what Pepper is saying, I'll give him water, Mama. You know, Pepper knows that the parrot knows to speak. Okay, so he is asking to speak. Budgie, speak, speak. He's saying like that. And what Mama said, yes, he will do. But first, let us feed the parrot. Let us feed Budgie, and then he will speak. And what Pepper is saying, okay, Mama, then I will feed him. Then see what happened. While going to feed the parrot, Pepper saw what is going on in the television. Okay, he didn't feed the parrot. He kept the mug as it is, and he went and sat in front of the TV to watch the show. What he missed, dear children? What was he going to do and what he is doing now? He was going to feed the parrot, right? But now what he is doing? He is sitting in front of the TV and watching the show. Oh my God. What he forgot, children? Can anyone tell me? What work he forgot? Yeah, very good. Those who said in Tamil also good. தண்ணி குடுக்கறத மறந்தாச்சு. Yes? Pepper parrotக்கு தண்ணி குடுக்க சொன்னாங்க அம்மா இல்லையா? But what Pepper did? Pepper மறந்துட்டு டிவி முன்னாடி போய் உட்கார்ந்தாச்சு. Yes? He became very busy looking at the TV. He totally forgot Budgie. So sad. Okay, see here what happened to Budgie here. What happened to Budgie here? What happened here? Tell me, children. How is Budgie? Is he healthy?
Budgie did.
No, it's not dead. It's very tired. Okay, it's very tired. It is not even able to get up. எழுந்து கூட நிக்க முடியல பட்ஜிக்கு. It's very tired. So it fell down and it is very tired. Okay, so it closed its eyes also. And what Pepper is doing now? Pepper is crying. Budgie, Budgie, what happened to you? Get up. Budgie, get up. What happened to you? Budgie is crying like that. And he called his mama. Mama, see what happened to Budgie. He's not at all getting up. See what has happened to Budgie, Mama. He's crying like that. Then Mama asked, what is the matter? Why are you crying, Pepper? What did you do? Why are you crying like this? Then she said, stop crying, Pepper. Budgie is just hot and thirsty. Let's give him some water. Yes, before itself, if Pepper have given him water, Budgie would not be like this, right? முன்னாடியே பெப்பர் வந்து தண்ணி கொடுத்திருந்தா parrot எப்படி இருந்திருக்கும்? Parrot எப்படி இருந்திருக்கும்? How the parrot would have been? Happy-ஆ விளையாடிட்டு இருந்திருக்கும். But it became very tired all because of Pepper. What Pepper was doing at that time? Pepper என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க அப்போ?
Watching TV.
Yeah, Pepper was watching TV. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, if your mama is telling you to do some work, அம்மா ஒரு work செய்ய சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, what you should do? You should at once do the work or you will go for playing?
Playing.
What is important? Playing, Siddharth. Playing is important than mama, va? Very genuine answer. That's what. Children, you have to know if your mama or daddy, if they are saying something, yes, that will be very important. Okay, first listen to them and then you can play. உங்களுக்கு நிறைய டைம் கிடைக்கும் விளையாடுறதுக்கு. But when your mummy and daddy are telling you ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலை சொன்னாங்கன்னா அதுதான் first important. That is important first. Okay? See here, then what Mama is doing here? What Pepper is asking, Mama, will Budgie die? No, Pepper, but when we have a pet, we must take good care of them, okay? When we have a pet, even if it is a dog or cat or fish or parrot, whatever it is, we have to take care of them because they don't know how to talk. They don't know to ask, give me food, give me water. No. Can animals speak, children? Yes, you can speak. You can go and ask your mama, Mummy, give some water. I want biscuit. I want food. I want idli. I want dosa. You'll go and ask, right? But animals can speak. They can't speak, no? So what we have to do? We only have to take care of them. Okay, if you are having a pet at your home, you have to take care like how you take care of yourself. Taking bath, drinking water, having food, everything the same way, the same importance you have to give to the pet also because they don't know how to talk. Okay, and then Mama gave some water and again Budgie sat on the side. See there, it's sitting on that and it started playing with Pepper. Okay, so what do you learn from this, children? What do you learn from the story? You should be very responsible. Okay, whatever work your parents are giving you, you have to do it. Okay, so especially when you have a pet in your home, you have to take care of the pet. Okay, if your mama forgets also, you should ask, Mama, did you give water to it? Did you give food to it? Like that you have to ask. Okay, will you beat the pet animals? Will you beat the pet animals? No, it's very bad, okay? You should not do that. And should you feed the pet animal or you will not feed the pet animal?
No.
You will not feed her. Will you give food for the pet animal or you will not give?
Yes.
You should give food for the pet animal, okay? Like how we feel hungry, they also will feel hungry. Okay? So, who are all having pet in your home? Let me know how many of you are having pet in your home, dog, cat, fish like that. How many of you are having pet in your home? No one, huh? No one has pet in your home. Dog. Nightig, what do you have, Nightig?
Fish.
Fish you have. Are you feeding the fish with its food? Fish food?
Yeah.
Are you giving it? Yeah, very good. And are you changing water?
Ma'am.
Are you changing water for it?
Yeah.
Yes, very good, very good. And then Rohita, yeah, tell me Rohita. Yeah, tell me Rohita. Huh? Lion. What are you having? What is your pet animal? Yes, ma? Okay, children. What we learned today is if you have a pet in your home, you have to take nice care of it. Okay? You have to do that. Will you all do that from today? Yes? Very good, children. And thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye, Rohita.
Bye.
Bye, Vidyut. Bye, Vivan. Bye, Rohita. Yeah, bye, Ma Lakshana. Darshika, bye, Darshika. Dikshan, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye, Pranita.